see. Today I'm going to show you how to put a custom thumbnail on your videos, and I'm going to do it on this video. So first we open it. Oops, what did I just do? Just go back there. Sorry. Okay, first I'm going to open it. Then I am going to go to custom thumbnail. I am going to look up what I just made over on Canva, which is right here, and I am going to open that. See my video on how to make a custom thumbnail over on Canva. If you did not catch that, I will post the link for that video in the bottom of the description box on this video. Okay, so once you do that, make sure the gray box is around it, and then you're going to hit Save Changes. Now, once you do that, give it 15 to 20 minutes to show up in your back office on YouTube as well as on your channel. It does not occur in 20 seconds. It does take a little time. So that's basically it. It's super easy to create one, and it's super easy to do that. Now, I already have things in here in my description box. I'll go over how to add things in there and put links in there on another video. I'm going to take this one and make it public. Actually, I want to add that other video here too. So I will leave it on private until I do that. So I'm just going to save this as is. Save changes. It'll take 15 minutes. I'm going to go back in, add stuff to the description box, and then I'm done. So that's it. Thanks for joining me.